Something I've been meaning to demonstrate, but I haven't been able to because this phone hasn't been working, is that this phone actually takes incoming calls. But the catch is that you have to deposit a quarter to connect the call. So there's the number, and it should start ringing in a second. Yep, there it is.
Please deposit 25 cents.
And were I to deposit a quarter, the call would be connected and I'd be talking to myself. So the ringing sound is pretty faint. It's pretty quiet. I don't know how likely it is that you connect to anybody unless they knew the call was coming. The likeliest person you'd get the attention of is a derelict dude who's coming right at me, by the way. And the phone only rings, I think, 5 times. So any chance of connecting with a random person would probably take a lot of persistence. But if that's your thing, give it a try. Yeah, there's a derelict guy that hangs out at that place, at that location, and he kind of commandeered the payphone from me, so I got out of his way.